So, hi, my name is Gabby, and after you watch this video, can you please go and check out my channel? It's Gabby and Slime. I'm going to check out my shop. The link is in the description below. So, let's get on with the video. If you like this video, can you please like and subscribe?
Yeah. What are we making today?
We are going to be making another makeup slime video.
Wait a minute. Is that a makeup slime you've got?
Yep.
What makeup was that one?
This one was wet blush.
I think that was wet green eyeshadow.
Yeah.
And the color is really cool. All right, should we crack on?
I'll pour my clear glue into the bowl. Clear glue. I need a lot of it because I'm splitting it into 3 halves.
Good job. That's glue.
My borax activator.
That is a good amount, isn't it?
This video might be pretty long, but...
Is it sliming already?
Yeah.
Good job.
We are not letting this clear up, are we?
No, well, if you want clear slime, you need to leave it for a few days, but we're going to use it straight away. So it's going to be a little bit cloudy because when we're mixing it, we're putting a load of air into it. So it goes a bit like whitish instead of clear. Great mixing.
Go.
Yeah, and you're gonna play slime.
So, Slime Mum's having a go. I'm gonna be telling you all about my channel. So, my channel, after you watch this video, go out of it and search for Funny Bear Slime. And then it has a me wearing sunglasses.
This is our rule. You can't take it out of the bowl until the bowl's clear. And that is a clear bowl.
Wow, it's slime.
Excuse me. We've got colds in this house, haven't we, you and me?
Yeah. Slime Dad doesn't.
No, Slime Dad doesn't.
That's how it is so far.
Right, what we've got today is we've got this
liquid blush.
We've got a blush stick that is like a nice peachy color that we're going to use. We've got a lipstick we're going to use. It's a bit mashed up, so it's perfect for using in slime.
I mashed it up.
That's okay. We've got a couple of eyeshadows we're going to use. Gabby likes this one out of here.
Yeah, and there's another one.
Well, we're only going to do probably one out of each, aren't we? And Gabby likes this one out of here. We're going to try. This is a NYX one. We're going to do those. And then we really enjoyed the making one of these into a liquid with this Made by Mitchell swirl solution. So we're going to do that again. But maybe this time we'll do that one first. And then we'll show you how you can like paint on slime. That's the plan. Ooh, that was a big noise. Never mind.
Sorry. Okay. So let's go on with the... Sorry. Do we need style?
Ooh.
We need style.
No, let's just be careful with the camera. Okay, so we need to divide it up into 4. That's it.
No, that is not equal.
Is that your tool? No, we'll just do it in 2. Then you do 2 again, eh? There you go. Great work. Great. So we've got 4 blobs.
First time you start with some.
Yeah, so let's roll it out and we'll get some of this eyeshadow. So I'm just going to scoop it out into the lid. Then I'm going to apply some of this swirl solution from Made by Mitchell. And it's going to liquefy our eyeshadow.
And it is so fun. If you got and you have this to spare, you should really try it and add it inside.
Okay, can you put a few blobs on there for me, love?
Oh, I love doing it.
We're just using a paintbrush today, not the brush it comes with.
Okay.
Let me get it going for you.
And I'm going to draw a happy face on that.
That's a good idea. It's going good, I think. What do you think?
Yeah, can I go?
Yeah, stir it. Give it a stir. So it kind of looks like this now. It's like a sludgy sort of.
And I'll try and do the happy face now. Yeah, it don't really.
Should we show everybody? We made a
Happy face.
happy face.
And it didn't go very well.
That's okay, we'll try. Oh, hold on. So what we're trying to show here is that you can do lots of fun things with a little bit of leftover makeup and slime. How fun was that one?
Really fun.
No, do you want... Excuse me. Do you want to take that and blob it in here and soak up the rest of that pigment?
Yeah, that's what I was going to do.
So it's not wasted.
Oh.
Oh, that's okay. There we go, fine. That'll do. That'll do just fine. And you'll be able to buy all of the slimes that we're making today in our Etsy shop. We need to give them names, don't we? What name do you think for that one? Whoa, that looks like Army at the Disco.
Metallic sparks.
Metallic sparks, yeah.
What does sparks mean?
Sparks, you know when electric things go pew, pew, pew.
Yeah, this should be called metallic sparks.
It's a bit messy.
Yeah, but
That's okay though. We don't mind a bit of mess, do we? How's the texture of the slime?
good.
Yeah, does it need anything? Does it need anything?
No.
No? Okay. You're a bit tired today, eh?
Mhm.
There we go. And this is the one we did yesterday. That was the same kind of stuff. So that you can see the color is really, really all the way through the slime. And it doesn't come off on your hands. A little bit of the glitter does, but the color doesn't come off on your hands.
I need some lotion.
You need a bit of lotion. Okay, it's just there.
And we got this lotion for £2.
Yeah, we got a good price on that lotion. So if your slime is a bit rippy or a bit too thick, it's not easy to play with, you can add a little bit of hand lotion or body lotion. Ooh. And it will loosen it up. That's probably enough for that small slime. And it'll loosen it up. It'll give you a bit more stretch in your texture.
And a lot of softener. Slime Dad's boring. He never comes in the videos.
Slime Dad's a bit shy. It's okay. okay though. Everybody's different, aren't they?
Still our first time in this video is 10 minutes.
I think everyone's gonna struggle to see you. Can you scooch back a little bit? That's it. See that screen there? That's what people can see. If you're like that, they'll only see your mouth.
I want them to see your smile.
Yeah, no, I do too. Okay, so out of 10, what do we rate that one?
10?
10 out of 10. Okay, great. Let's give the table a wipe and we'll try again. What are we gonna work on next?
The lipstick. Actually, dry eyeshadow.
Dry eyeshadow next. Okay, can we pop that one to one side? And you can give me your hands to clean off. Good work. So that one is Army Sparks.
No.
No? Metallic Sparks?
Metallic Sparks.
Metallic Sparks.
I'll just like place it off.
Yeah, put it off to the side so we don't mix in with our new one. Give you a quick clean next. Well, you're covered in stuff, aren't you?
Yes. Oh, there you go.
There we go. Well, we just don't want to get, oh dear.
What?
That was very messy. Next blob.
It's clear blob.
Great. Do you want your bowl back? I'd like you to put it in the bowl.
Yeah, no. Otherwise, it's just opening up.
Great stuff. So for the dry eyeshadow, I think we like this color a lot. For the dry one, if you do it over a bowl, it's a lot less messy and you keep a hold of a lot more of the pigment that comes out.
And I'm doing that one.
Well, let's just try one and see. Because we put, how many did we put in yesterday? Loads.
I don't care.
2, and that was quite a lot. Okay, great stuff. Now we're gonna take the...
You can play with this one.
Oh, thank you. Now we're gonna take the slime and stick it straight into the eyeshadow. And that's gonna change the whole color of it. So it started off like this plain white. And what's it turning into?
Yes.
Oh.
Coral.
Is it like a coral?
In person, it looks a lot better, doesn't it?
I think it just needs a bit more in it. It just needs a bit more pigment in it. This one you've made is really good. This metallic sparks. This is just a mini. This will be good for somebody with little hands.
Like my friends.
Well, I like a big blob of slime, but you're really right, Gab, that when you buy too big of a slime, it's not easy for kids to play with it. So we have started using a smaller bowl to make our slime. And so we just have a smaller amount, and Gabby seems to prefer that to play with.
This one's gonna go legendary.
Well, it looks like a star at sunset.
Sunset star.
A sunset star. There we go. We've just come up with the name right now. The idea is you keep the slime over the bowl. That's the idea.
I'm not doing it.
You're not doing that. I wonder if anybody watching this video likes to make slime like we do.
This is going to be called Metallic Overflow, actually.
It's going to be called what?
Metallic Overflow.
Metallic Overflow. That is a cool name. We've got Metallic Sparks from today. We've got Metallic Overflow. I wonder what the others are going to be called. Brian. No? Okay, not Brian. yesterday when we did the pigment, the eyeshadow, it kind of dried the slime out. How's that one going? Does it drying out or is it still okay?
Drying out.
Is it? Well, once you've absorbed it all the pigment, we can put a little bit of lotion in to help loosen it up a little bit, shall we? Go. Get that out of the way. Oh, the color is so pretty. It really does look like a sunset on a star. What did you suggest we called it? I forget.
This is gonna be.
Oh, it was metallic overflow.
Actually, that is not the name.
No.
The change.
No, we're gonna change it. What are we changing it to?
It's gonna be. Fuzzy Bears Swift.
Fuzzy Bear Swift.
Today.
Oh no, the name keeps changing. We'll come back to the name.
No.
I like sunset metallic or star sunset.
I'm gonna do one of Taylor Swift's albums.
Well, we can't copy hers exactly because she is the owner of her art.
I'm gonna do like Fuzzy Bears and then the album.
Yeah, but that's still her art. You wouldn't like it if somebody copied your art. So, but we really like Taylor Swift.
Yeah.
Big up Taylor Swift. So if we could, we would call it Taylor Swift. But that's not fair to her. So let's think about the name. Maybe by the end of the video we'll have come up with a good name for that one. Okay. What are we on now? Lipstick or cream blush? Which one?
Best.
Should we do cream blush? Because the lipstick is going to be messy. So starting off with the white one that we made. And it looks like Gabby's going in for the full stick. Okay, there we go, full stick. Fantastic. Get it? Fantastic. Can you use the full stick? Yeah.
Oh, that feels so nice.
What does it feel like? Is it like a chalk, like a soft chalk?
Yeah, it feels like bubblegum chalk.
Oh.
No, I felt.
Oh, it's just kind of making a mess on the table.
What if I felt bubblegum? I love licking bubblegum.
You need to speak up a little bit. You're whispering to yourself.
Yeah.
Have you see you licked bubblegum?
I ate bubblegum.
You've ate bubblegum?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, I didn't swallow it.
Well, that's good because it'll stay in your stomach forever.
Would I die?
You would die, but your body can't get rid of it, so it would stay in there forever. The color's coming nice. I've stolen a tiny piece of Gabby's slime. You can't see, but
I heard that. And I see it.
Do you think we needed the whole stick? Yeah. Or do you think we could have put in a bit at a time?
Full stick.
Full stick, of course. You're sort of a more is more kind of gal, aren't you?
And go and check out our slime shop. You could buy these slimes. This one's gonna be
It's almost a similar color to this one we made. You see, this one's more metallic-y and this one's just more of the pigment. So this one will be like Star Moon Sunset, and this one will be more like Beach Party. Okay, well, that one is really, really messy. So I would say it's not that easy to incorporate. Or maybe we should have mashed it up first, because you can see there's just chunks everywhere.
I'll mash it up now.
Mash it up. Oh, wow. Great. Okay.
It's like doing this.
Wow. Like, we're a messy house, but that is pure mess. Pure mess. I don't know if this slime is going to absorb it all.
Yeah, it will.
Gotta keep all the chair legs on the floor, or else you'll fall back and hurt yourself.
It's only coming along really good.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
I feel like this will turn out a bit of like a butter slime because it's already spreading.
Yeah, it is clayish, this stuff, isn't it? Oh, it's everywhere. It's everywhere.
And then I'm going to do the final test.
It's not passing the final test so far. Don't rub it over your arm if it's leaking. It's really transferring. Show everybody your arm. It's really leaking the color onto Gabby. This one's not a win for me.
It would be a win for me if this one's an 8 out of 10.
I think we should have used half of that amount of blush.
I'm
Because most of that sticks on our table now.
I'm giving it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. So I think one of the things we've learned here is just put a bit in and see how it goes. You can always add more. But we could have probably made another slime out of this, but instead I'm just going to wipe it up and it's going to go down the sink. So that would be our advice, wouldn't it? Just try a bit at a time, even if you're a more is more kind of person.
Yeah.
It's okay, that's how you learn, isn't it? At least it's not overactivated. Like it's not gone, oh, good bubble. It's not gone too dry because the stick was quite wet.
This is underactivated but so stretchy. I mean, way overactivated but so stretchy.
It's way overactivated? Whoa.
Yes, so overactivated.
Oh, good pops. Okay, I think we're gonna have to wrap this one up. I'm gonna clean the cloth out. We'll clean off the table and clean you and we'll see what the transfer is. Okay? Deal.
Best for last.
The lipstick mess.
I need the whole entire thing again.
I thought we just learned about just use a bit.
No, whole thing. Yeah, I want to do really good.
Okay, I'm coming in with the cleaning cloth. Cleaning cloth is coming in. Beep, 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 beep. There we go. Can you stop wiping that on your legs? I can see what you're doing, you cheeky bum.
Transfer.
So I think the transfer with that one is quite high, isn't it? Tell everybody what's happening with it.
Yes, I just done that. And it didn't go on my skin.
Right, let's clean you off. Pop that slime down. Let's clean you off and we'll see what the transfer is like from this.
And this is well done.
Okay, let's clean you off. Good thing it's bath night.
Oh yeah. And we're saving the best one for last.
The messiest one, you mean?
The best for last.
Okay, this leg, please. We've got slime on your leg. And then this other hand, please. Oh wow, it's up the whole arm. We may as well put you in the bath now.
No.
Okay, once you're cleaned off. All right, give that a little play and see what the transfer is like. I'm not done with this hand. No, I need this hand, please. I'll let you know when this hand is done. Thank you.
Transfer. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Is there no transfer? Okay. Cool.
Best is for last.
So what is that one called?
I'm still thinking of that
I
one.
think we should call that one Muriel.
Yeah.
Muriel.
That one could be pearl.
Muriel.
That's pearl.
Oh, pearl. Sunset pearl?
And this is on my sunset.
Okay, so we've got a sunset here, which I think we should call Muriel. Because I like human names for slime. And this one is called Pearl. It's very, very shiny, like the inside of a shell. Okay, talk to me now. What's our last one?
Lipstick.
Oh, right. And we've got a Berry M lipstick here. Let's try this. Oh, that's straight in. I was going to scoop it with this, but why not? You can see whole thing again. And what's happening? Oh, wow. We love a mess, don't we? Do you know there's a saying, Gabby? It's called, you've got to break some eggs to make an omelette. Do you know what that might mean? It means you've got to make a mess if you're going to make something good.
It smells.
Go on, mix that rest in.
This looks amazing. It feels amazing. The transfer test there now.
You've got to speak so people can hear you. Clear your throat a little bit and speak properly. Oh, wow. Yeah, we do have a cough. I don't know if I mentioned it. Thank you, madam. This is not putting on makeup with slime.
Putting on makeup with slime.
The color looks really good. The color's good. Show everybody the color. Yeah, that's a really good way to show the color. There we go. Okay, we're going to be winding this up. So what are we giving this last one out of 10? 100 out of 10. And what are you basing that on? Because you like to play with lipstick and make a mess, or what?
I love playing with lipstick and making a mess.
But it has made a really cool slime. And what will we call this one? Stephanie.
Lips are in the lip gloss.
Lips are in the lip gloss. Okay, so you can buy this one on our shop. Lips are in the lip gloss. This one.
This one's gonna be in the poop section.
We don't have a poop section. Okay, thanks everybody for coming along on our little
This
slime
one's
journey.
gonna be in the weirdy section.
Okay, Gabby's lost the plot. Have a good day, everybody.
I'm not.